How to delete a message on Facebook Marketplace. Let's get started. Launch your Messenger app. Here we go. You'll land to the chat section. Now at the top left corner, you can find three bars. Click on it. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of Marketplace. Now in this page, you're going to find all of the messages of your Facebook Marketplace. Now head towards a conversation where you want to delete a single message. So I'm going to delete this one message. All you have to do is long press on it. Different options will pop up. Click on send. Click on send for you. This will only be on send for you. All the chat members will still be able to see it. Click on send. Likewise, in the case you want to delete entire conversation, what you have to do is press and hold the conversation that you want to delete. Click on the option of delete. Delete this entire conversation. Click on delete. With that, I have just deleted the conversation. By following these steps, you can easily delete a message on Facebook Marketplace. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.